Alright, so we're here at stop one. The truck itself is basically going to be a relatively easy day. I'll take you outside and see what a PVC day is. You can see behind me there, PVC in my back window. We're tall with PVC, and yeah, that's all we got today. Take you outside and show you what a PVC day is. Here we go. Always gotta be careful getting out of the truck. Oh. Turn out the light. Save some power. The battery in this truck isn't so great. All right, well, you can see the truck behind me. There's PVC. Let's get this thing hooked up and go for a walk. Hang on. All right, so basically we're just gonna go down here and take the straps off. See what's his. Get the paperwork, my winch bar. Let me move the camera over here, get a better look. So what we're gonna do here is basically just look. You can see these tags here. That's one. And that little pallet on top says 4. Oh, it's wonderful. And these guys can get up there though, a forklift. That's 4. So we're just gonna look at the paperwork and see what's theirs and make sure that these tags on the PVC are correct, because they're not always. So the paperwork says that they have 6 bundles in the back. At least I have no tarp to deal with today. This is not supposed to be, they're not supposed to be tying straps up like that. Nothing is supposed to be outside this rail. Actually, an oversized permit fine. If you don't have an oversized permit. So, walk around the other side and you can see basically what the deal is. Hey, and it's the same thing on the other side. See, that's full PVC. We'll loosen the straps on this side, and then we'll just pull them off over on the other side. A full PVC truck is a little bit easier than a normal day, than a So the paperwork says 6. He's got 1, 2. That top one. 2 bundles of 2-inch. Some galvanized slot. Some coils. Huh. We'll have to look. There might be another pallet up there because that pallet is marked for stop 4. It also says T5. Looks like it says T5. Oh no, it says T6. So he's got 1, 2, 3 bundles of 2-inch. And then there's some material way up on top that I'm not bringing the camera up there because no. So for now, we're done. We'll go and wait for this customer to come in. All right, well, we're back again here. Let me show you. Remember just a minute ago, I had said that little pallet up there, it said for stop number 4. It's written on there for stop number 4, but the paperwork on it shows that it's for this guy, stop number 1. I'll show you up here. This guy is getting the pallet and 2 bundles here. That 1 bundle there on the very top. And that bundle on the very top. And there's a bundle way the hell up there that this guy is getting. I can't get you up there. But, so it's 5 bundles. 5 bundles. Sun's killing me here, hang on. So it's 5 bundles, not 6, as the paperwork suggests. So yeah, I just gotta wait till this guy gets in. There's a couple of guys coming in already, but the forklift guy ain't here. So I'm gonna head back in the truck and probably do some paperwork until he gets here. Should be here in a few minutes. That's about it on a PVC day. Yeah, I got 4 stops just like that. Maybe I'll take you around for stop 2 and 3. We'll see. I like doing stop 1. It's the easiest, then I can just bang out the rest of the day and not have to worry about the camera. But whichever one I do, you guys have a great day. Well, I'm here at my last stop, and I already spoke to the guy. I got the paperwork, figured it all out. Here, let me jump out. Hang on. I don't want to fall out of the truck. So you might remember this here. We got this load. This is gonna go back to our shop. Because all this stuff look at that. It's all strapped nicely for a long ride, apparently, because the customer refused it. They didn't want it because I guess it was supposed to be a quote, not an actual order. So we are on our way back home. Give me a second while we climb up. All right, so we climbed back up. We got back in. We're gonna turn this thing on and we're gonna go home. And that is, well, that's a short PVC day, but that's what PVC is. I didn't bring you along for stop 2 and 3 because they were only like 2 and 3 bundles. Would have actually been more time, just take the camera out, set it up. So that's pretty much it. I guess we'll just roll the outro. See you for now. Have a great day.
Well, that's about it. If you enjoy these videos, leave me a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of content you'd like, what kind of stuff you'd like to know about. So hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. This way you get notified every time I make a new video. Well, off to the road. Like always, take care, God bless, and I'll see you on the road.